Hello folks, today we have a stunning example of the Casablanca Delta 2 finished in bright brass, and it has some very nice walnut blades. This particular unit was manufactured December 13th, 1990, and it was the 509th fan made that day. This unit underwent a complete restoration by myself. Everything's been cleaned, the fan has been completely disassembled down to the hardware. All the hardware has been cleaned in ultrasonic bath. We'll go ahead and give you guys a better look at it here. It's in very nice condition. Everything's been polished and waxed. It shows very nicely. This fan has a Samsung motor in it, but contrary to popular belief, this one's actually really quiet. A lot of times these Samsung motors will have a motor whine to them, and this one's actually quite quiet. So it got brand new bearings. The vent screens have been replaced on the top and the bottom plates. There are a few scratches on it, like there's one right here, and there's some more on the top, and those will be pictured in the listing. This fan is for sale on eBay. But overall, a very beautiful fan. I even put a fob, Casablanca chain fob on it so it can represent the name. Blades were done up in Old English. Furniture polish, and these are veneer blades. They're very nice furniture grade blades. Fan's very well balanced and it operates silently on all 3 speeds. It is reversible. A very nice piece. Sorry for that clumsy transition there. My tripod's not the best, but I am on a budget, much like the rest of the world. Make sure that's all in shot there. Is that going to be... Yep, all right, it's perfect. All right, well, go ahead and start it off on low. It's got a very nice low speed, very nice range of speeds. These Slumber 3 fans have always had a very good range of speeds. This fan did originally have a capacitor-based 3-speed system, which kind of looks something like that. But the median speed didn't work on it, so I removed it and I replaced it with a traditional Casablanca 3-speed control board. These have been known to be more reliable, so I went ahead and did that. Turn off the dehumidifier. Crank her up to medium. Like I said, it's absolutely silent. It's very well balanced. She's pretty much ready to go. And I only know of one place you can buy a polished brass fan new, and that is Menards. And it's just going to be a little 44-inch fan with cheap paper. It's going to be a cheap fan. It's going to have the paper printed MDF blades on it. You know, you're not going to get anything nearly as nice as this fan. Here's high. And you can very slightly hear the motor whine on that Samsung motor, but it's very slight. I mean, you can't hear it while it's running, so that's a plus. You know, like any other Casablanca fan, it's cranking out air. And the reverse does work on it, so we'll show that off. Flywheel's in great shape too. I didn't replace it on this one because, you know, I inspected it thoroughly. There were no cracks. It's not warped or anything, so that all checks out just fine. Performs just as well on high, or on reverse. Does just fine. And there you have it, folks. There's your 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2. Beautiful bright brass for sale on eBay. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. We'll see you.